Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your changes aren't saving in Wix or disappear after editing, don't panic. Cause in this video, I will show you how to fix the changes not saving issue in Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for wix.com in your favorite browser. Okay, so as I told you before, check your internet connection since it's important because this changes not saving issue is usually from an unstable internet that can stop the change. As for now, we're gonna open the website, go all the way to our so let's go back to the dashboard. Just log in using your email address and password. We all know this, so we're gonna go and select our website here because we're gonna go and actually open this website editor. So all we're gonna do is either tap on design site or just select design site from here. So a new window will be opened or a new tab will be opened. It's Wix website editor where we're gonna go and see any published error. We're gonna go and try to republish our site. We're gonna go and see if we can preview and it will be looking okay. If you still having this problem, so basically we are going to preview here. If you can see the problem in preview, try and clear the browser cache since corrupted cache can break saving. We should also try and disable browser extensions such as ad blockers or VPNs, proxies, whatsoever. Try also incognito mode or in private mode. If you are using Edge, try switching to Chrome or Opera or something else to see if it's gonna work there, obviously. Also, make sure to check the Wix server status on Google or on Bing. Just tap on Google, Wix server status, and go and check if it's currently working. And make sure you always save, basically, save frequently and always republish, since you should be always publishing after making any changes. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.